Namaskar, I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. In a significant effect, the Andhra Pradesh government has decided to provide a hike in salaries of 1,683 archakas working in temples across the states from 10,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees. The move comes as a major boost in safeguarding the interests of the pillars of Hinduism, the real custodians of the values of one's roots. The move comes as a major boost in safeguarding the interests of the pillars of Hinduism, the real custodians of the values of one's roots. This move reflects Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu's efforts and dedication to uplift the Hindu priest community in southern state, where it is the need of the hour. It is crucial to note that the changes comes in the backdrop of the continuing subpar treatment of Hindus and their customs in most of southern states of India. As per reports, this decision was made during a review meeting led by Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu along with Endowments Minister Annam Ramnarayan Reddy and senior officials. Additionally, Chandrababu Naidu has decided to raise the monthly financial assistance for small temples under the Dhupa Deepa Naivedyam scheme from Rs 5,000 to 10,000. He instructed that temples and their surroundings should be kept spotlessly clean to preserve the spiritual atmosphere. Apart from this, Naidu said committee made up of 3 ministers from 3 departments will be established to promote temple tourism. In the discussion, Naidu strongly condemned the attacks on Hindu temples that occurred under the previous Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy administration, notably the burning of a temple chariot. He called for severe penalties for those responsible, stressing that forced religious conversions would not be tolerated in Andhra Pradesh. These changes reflect Naidu government's commitment to safeguarding the sentiments of Hindu devotees, emphasizing that non-Hindus should not be involved in temple affairs. Chief Minister Naidu also pledged to restore 87,000 acres of temple land that are currently occupied illegally through legal measures. Often it has been observed that temple priests have been living under poor conditions. Naidu's decision to incentivize the archakas comes as a ray of hope, even if it's not a complete solution. His step could be considered a vision into the future and a leading example for others to follow.